Today, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $100 every single day on YouTube without making videos, without experience, we're literally just copy and pasting content. My name is Ahmad from BitIQ, and on this channel, we share with you how you can make money online as a beginner or a professional. So make sure to hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification so that you won't miss a thing. Let's dive into it. Okay, so first I'm going to show you a channel who make it already so that we can copy their idea and do our own, but we're gonna do it in a completely different way. So here it is. We are taking the cooking niche, and people are making amazing progress in cooking niche. You can see this guy here is having up to almost 3.2 million subscribers, and with just 171 videos that he uploads, and this channel is doing amazing. I mean, you can see their banner is good, their profile, and even the name. So the good thing about this, you don't even have to make videos like shoot your face on camera if you're afraid of camera or something is triggering you when you're on camera. So this is a happy birthday for you because you're not gonna use camera. You're just gonna record what you're cooking and what you're teaching, and you're gonna say the ingredients and show them on camera. That's all you gotta do and make all those amazing insane money on YouTube. So you can make similar contents in long content, but today we are not gonna make long content because that's gonna take you a long way till you'll be monetized. Because you see, for you to be monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time hours, and you're gonna have to check that out. So we're gonna use short content to get monetized without really getting monetized. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's go. You can see he himself even makes short content. You can see he is having 200,000 views, 100,000 views, 7.8 million views. It's doing great, and he doesn't even upload much. So I'm going to show you how you can make videos like this without making videos. We just copy and pasting a text. An AI will generate a complete video for you, and even the text, the script. I'm going to show you where and when you can have it. The next step is to visit this tool here, ChatGPT. This AI is amazing. It can write everything for you, scripts, like broadcast video and ebook. You can write everything. You can ask him what's your birthday and it's gonna tell you. Nah, I'm kidding, but it's doing amazing job. So all you need to do is ask this tool to generate a script for you, short content script, so that you can use that script and make it a complete video. And with that, we can head to the next steps and how you can make money on YouTube without really getting monetized. So I'm just gonna ask this AI to write the best recipes, right? So okay, so you can wonder, why do you hit the stop generating button? Well, because we are not looking for instructions. We just want the ingredients, okay? You can look for the instructions and make a long content video, but for today, we just want to create short content. So we just need the ingredients because the video have to stay less than 1 minute. You see, if it's up to or more than 1 minute, YouTube will consider it as long content. So we're not gonna use instructions. We're just gonna display the ingredients and the recipe we are going to make. You can see the best recipe that this AI choose is classic margarita pizza. Okay, I don't know if I don't pronounce this correctly. Make sure you let me know in the comment section. So next, we're just gonna copy this script, ingredients, copy, down to making our video. So with this text, we are gonna create a video out of it. You can go to a tool like video.io, but today I just choose to use this website, wave.video. They don't sponsor this video, it's just for educational purpose. So you can go ahead, but let me break it up to you. You don't have to use AI to create your content. Like, you can use a professional to make more efficient videos for you. For that, you're gonna have to go to fiverr.com, like Upwork, to find a freelancer to edit your videos and make it great. And with that, you can take the best editor I use personally in the description below. After you visit this website, wave.video, you're just gonna have to sign in, but I'm just gonna show you the concept. So if you wanna know how you can create and produce a complete video or short content with an AI, make sure to check out our video, which precisely talks about that. So let's go ahead. Like, you can hit the create button, create video, and you can say from blog post or from text. So here I'm just gonna say from text, and title, just gonna go back to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna copy the title. I'm gonna copy this title and paste it in the title section, and paste the scripts, and I'm gonna come back here, ChatGPT, and I'm gonna copy this. Just gonna paste it here. So after I paste this, you can select all stock assets, and you can use paid and free stock videos and pictures for you, but preferably you need to select this preferably free, so that it can only use the footage and images that are free, so that the video won't look like, I don't know. So you can choose how the video mood is. Inspiring or anxious or confident. I'm just gonna leave it to inspiring, and you can go next, and you can choose which kind of video you are creating. You can choose horizontal if you are making a complete video. We're not gonna choose vertical because vertical is not really short format, so I'm gonna go with story here. So you just gonna choose the one that's preferably for you. I'm gonna go with this one, first one, and create video. And the AI will use free images and footage to create a complete shot for you based on the script you paste and the title, of course. So you're gonna wait. After it finishes, you just do some adjustments that you like, and you just export the video. I won't be doing this today because it's easy. You can know how to do it, right? So that's it. Now let's say I already got my video. So how can I come back on YouTube and just be posting those shorts and hoping that I can make $100 every single day with just the views that I'm getting? That's not how it works. You need to head to websites like clickback.com, digits224, or warriorplus.com to grab an affiliate offer that's relating to cooking niche, and you'll be posting those offers in the description so that whenever someone watches a video and you add a call to action in the end of the video saying if you want the best recipes, make sure to check my description, or if you want something like that's gonna call them off to check out your description, you're gonna say it so that when they check this description, it won't be empty. You got something they want, and when they go and buy, you get some commission out of it. With that, getting 7 million views, you can make amazing figure. Not gonna be Mr. Beast or Logan Paul, but you'll be set. Yeah. So I'm gonna go to warriorplus.com. You need to sign in. You can use any one that I said, clickbank.com or digits224, but I just want to use this one because I'm looking for a specific offer. So I'm gonna go here, go to offers, and under the offer title /keyword, I'm just gonna type cooking. just gonna take this offer. It says 18,000 plus cooking recipes with resale rights. You see, this is a great offer, right? So you can just request the link from the vendor, from the one who produced this offer. So you're just gonna go here and request, and make sure you add some strong words in the request description so that he'll understand that you're serious. And after you've been approved, you're just gonna have to grab the link, go back on YouTube, and be posting your short contents, and in the description just be pasting those offer with call to action, and you'll be getting amazing views and hopefully lead to amazing sales. Okay, so with this you can make up to $100 every single day on YouTube without making videos. So that's it for today, and if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you don't like the video, hit the like button 3 times or go crazy on it. Just make sure you hit the like button, okay? It's gonna help others find the video, and hopefully they find it useful. See you next.